Happy New Year, everybody. I'm here at the amazing
Best Western Premier
Incheon Airport Hotel.
I have a flight early tomorrow morning, and I don't want to be late. So I found a hotel next to the airport, and I'll just take the free hotel shuttle tomorrow morning. Until then, I have a full day to play. 'Tis the season to make new goals, and I hope to accomplish a few of mine today. Here are some things I've never done before. Go golfing indoors. Get a massage. Go shopping on this island. Take a sunset tour. Let's see how many of these goals I can accomplish today.
Hello, I'm here to check in.
Are you Be스트웨스턴 Rewards member?
No, can you tell me more?
I will put link in the description.
All right.
Let's go!
They even have a huge casino here. I might go next time, but for today, I had to go on my sunset tour.
I took a free shuttle to the sunset tour, and I'm so glad I did. Check this out. Thanks, Best Western. Well, I accomplished most of my goals for today. But now I have to get some sleep because I have an early flight tomorrow morning. Let's see if I can make that. Next time I come here, I'm going to show you around the hotel a little bit more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that notification bell thingy. I'll see you next time.
Wake up, you're going to miss your plane. Wake up, you're going to miss your plane.